Couplets, couplets, couplets.
Red strawberry, red strawberry, red strawberry.
Red strawberry, red strawberry, red strawberry.
Red strawberries are ready to pick. Red strawberries are ready to pick.
Purple grape, purple grape, purple grape.
Purple grape, purple grape.
Purple grapes are crushed to make
Blue umbrella, blue umbrella, blue umbrella.
Blue umbrella, blue umbrella, blue umbrella.
She is holding a blue
Brown bread, brown bread, brown bread.
Brown bread, brown bread, brown bread. The brown bread.
red strawberry,
Red strawberry, purple grape.
purple grape.
Blue umbrella,
Blue umbrella,
brown bread.
brown bread.
Say, who,
4. Say,
who. 4, 1.
see,
The,
actions, actions, actions.
drink, drink, drink.
Drink, 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 drink.
We can drink from a cup or a bottle. We can drink from a cup or a bottle. Eat, eat, eat.
Eat, 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 eat. When we are hungry, we eat. When we are hungry, we eat. When we are hungry, we eat. Crawl, crawl, crawl.
Crawl, 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 crawl. You can crawl on your hands and knees. You can crawl on your hands and knees. You can crawl on your hands and knees.
Stand, 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 stand.
Stand, stand, stand.
Let's stand up high. Let's stand up high. Let's stand up high. Drink,
Drink,
eat,
eat. Crawl,
crawl,
stand.
stand.
Words start with D.
Did. Dive. Door.
Dull.
Desk.
Deck.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
That's right.
Drink.
Choose the picture that goes with the word. Fantastic! Crawl.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Awesome!
Blue umbrella.
Which one is?
Purple grape. Great job! Purple grape.
Which one is?
Red strawberry.
That's right.
Red strawberry.
Which one is eat?
Good try. Try again.
Great job! Eat.
Can you pick out?
Who? That is right. Which one is one?
Awesome! Hooray! You have finished the lesson.
Congratulations! You've earned a sticker! Play lessons to earn more stickers.